Today, I make a special chocolate cake for Teacher Cindy. The cake goes in the oven now. Oh, wow! Look at this perfect chocolate cake. Listen, everyone. This cake is for Teacher Cindy's party. Do not touch the cake. Promise me?
Yes, we promise not to touch it.
We promise, Mom.
I promise too.
I will be back soon. Take care of the cake.
I am so hungry. Maybe there is a snack in the kitchen. Oh no! Who ate the cake? This is terrible. Detective Anna is on the case. I will find the cake criminal. Jack, stop playing. I need to ask you something important.
Jack, did you eat the chocolate cake from the kitchen?
What cake? I do not know what you are talking about.
Wait, you have brown stuff all over your face. Is that chocolate?
Look, I have a chocolate bar wrapper right here. I did not eat the cake. Look at the wrapper.
The evidence proves you did not do it. You are innocent, Jack. Good job, Jack. You can go play now. I need to find the real criminal. Where is Dad? Maybe he is outside in the garden. Dad, wake up! I need to talk to you right now. Dad, did you eat the chocolate cake from the kitchen?
What cake? I was sleeping out here the whole time.
Look, white powder on your shirt. Is that sugar from the cake?
Oh, that? Look, I was painting the fence white all morning.
It is white paint, not sugar, silly Detective Anna.
Someone is at the front door. Who could it be?
Oh, Mom and Teacher Cindy, what are you doing here?
Hello, Anna. We are here for the cake party. Is it ready?
Wait, the cake is not ready yet. Please wait outside. My beautiful cake. What happened here? This is terrible.
I am sorry, everyone. I took a tiny piece because it looked so yummy.
Okay, I also took a little piece. It looked so delicious.
Me too. I ate a really big piece of cake.
Well, I ate the very first piece. I had to taste it to make sure it was good.
This is the funniest story ever. It shows the cake was delicious. Do not worry, everyone. These things happen.
Wait, I have a great idea. Let us make cake pops.
Here we go. Mix it all together.
This is so fun.
Now we put the sticks in carefully.
These are looking so good.
More colorful sprinkles. Perfect. Hip, hip, hooray! We did it! These are the best cake pops ever.